Top 5 Best Dash Cams in 2020. Number 5. Rexing V1P. The V1P Pro is a mid-range dual-channel dash cam from Rexing. The main front cam is housed in an all-black, wedge-shaped body that can be discreetly mounted up behind your rear view mirror using the sticky adhesive pad, making it less visible to potential thieves. The front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD video at 30 frames per second. If you turn off the rear camera and only record with the front cam, it is capable of recording 1080p at 60 frames per second, which can capture license plate numbers better when in motion. The front camera uses an OmniVision OV4689 image sensor, while the rear cam uses a Sony IMX323 sensor. Both cameras have a wide 170-degree field of view, giving you nearly 360 degrees of video coverage around your car. With the V1P's built-in Wi-Fi, you are able to use the free Rexing Connect app that's compatible with both iPhone and Android phones and tablets. The app is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. With this app you can remotely connect to the dash cam, giving you the ability to download videos directly onto your phone, as well as make basic changes to the settings. The internal GPS module is able to watermark your videos with the current speed you are driving at, as well as display your GPS coordinates. This can be useful later when doing a car insurance claim. You can easily disable this feature in the settings menu. Overall, the Rexing V1P Pro is an all-around good, reliable mid-range dual dash cam with Wi-Fi and GPS built into the camera. Pros: uses Sony IMX323 image sensor. Wi-Fi and GPS are built in. Wide 170-degree lens angle. Capacitor powered, better for high heat. Cons: priced a bit higher than similar dual dash cams. Coming in number 4. Vantrue N2. In 2019 and into 2020 we saw a major increase in 2-in-1 dash cams that had a front-facing camera as well as an interior-facing camera. These often went by the name of ride-share dash cams, or Uber dash cams. With the increasing popularity of apps like Uber and Lyft, dash cam manufacturers were scrambling to create their own taxi cams. The Vantrue N2 Pro was one of the first higher-end dual dash cams to hit the market. The front cam on the N2 Pro records in 1080p HD using a OmniVision OV4689 image sensor. It has a wide lens angle of 170 degrees to capture the entire front area of your car. What many people are concerned with on this dashcam is how the interior camera performs. Using a Sony IMX323 image sensor and 4 IR, infrared, lights and recording at 1080p HD, the interior camera is able to capture high-quality video both day and night. With its 140 degrees lens angle, the inside camera can view the entire width of the interior of your car. When you're away from your vehicle, the Vantrue N2 Pro has a parking mode feature which uses motion and impact detection to activate recording 24/7. To use the parking mode feature you will need to purchase a separate hardwire kit, around $15, to power the dashcam off the car battery, or get an external dashcam battery. GPS is possibly with the N2 Pro, however, to get this feature you will need to get the separate GPS module from Vantrue if you want to watermark videos with speed and coordinates, along with using the Vantrue software to view the car's location on a map while watching the video. Pros: good parking mode features. Inside cam can detect motion and start recording. Uses Sony IMX323 image sensor. Has infrared, IR, lights on interior cam for night vision. Cons: battery powered rather than capacitor. Coming in number 3. Street Guardian SG9663 DC Pro. This 2-channel dashcam from Street Guardian features dual 1080p HD video cameras to cover the front and back of your car. Both cameras use the Sony XMR image sensors, which are known for their higher quality night vision clarity and crisp daytime video, especially when compared with the cheaper generic image sensors used in low-end dash cams. Street Guardian is known for manufacturing higher-end dashcams and focus more on quality over quantity. The SG9663DC Pro is an all-black wedge-shaped car cam that uses an adhesive pad and can be mounted up behind your rear view mirror, making it less visible and more stealthy than some of the other dashcams that hang down and use bright colors. With its Wi-Fi feature, you are able to use your smartphone or tablet to remotely connect to the SG9663DC Pro dashcam. This can be done by downloading the free Street Guardian Dashcam Viewer app on either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you have your phone or tablet connected to the camera, you can view a live video feed of the dashcam, download videos directly onto your phone or make dashcam setting changes. If you don't want to use their app or your phone to interact with the dashcam, you can use the 2-inch LCD screen on the back to see videos and make setting changes. With the included GPS module, you can log route info as well as watermark your video files with your speed and coordinates. The GPS feature can be disabled within the settings menu. Parking mode comes standard with Street Guardian dashcams. It has all the features you would expect, like motion detection and impact detection using the internal G sensor, which will start recording when an event is noticed. A hardwire kit or external dashcam battery is required to use the parking mode feature. Pros: parking mode with motion and impact detection. Dual front and rear HD video. Uses Sony XMR image sensor. Built-in Wi-Fi. Cons: high price point. Relatively small lens angle of 127 degrees. Coming in number 2. VIOFO A129 Duo Pro 4K Dashcam. The A129 Duo Pro is manufactured by VIOFO, a company who has become popular in the dashcam world over the last few years for their budget-priced stealthy HD video car cameras. Like their other camera models, the A129 Duo Pro features an all-black design, with a wedge-shaped case that uses an adhesive pad to mount right up behind your rear view mirror and out of sight. The main front camera records real 4K video using its 8-megapixel Sony IMX317 image sensor and has a field of view of 130 degrees. The small rear camera that's meant to mount on your rear window shoots 1080p HD video and has a Sony IMX291 image sensor and a 140-degree lens angle. Using a Sony image sensor on both the front and rear camera will ensure crisp day video and good night vision quality. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the free VIOFO Dashcam app to remotely connect your smartphone to the dashcam and make dashcam setting changes and download videos onto your phone. You can also make setting changes directly on the dashcam using the 2-inch LCD display on the back. Using the buffered parking mode feature, you are able to capture video 15 seconds before an event happens, like motion or impact detection. If you had your car parked in a parking lot and someone hit it, the dashcam will show 15 seconds leading up to that moment and 30 seconds after. If you plan on using the parking mode features, you will want to get a hardwire kit or use an external dashcam battery. The mount on the A129 Duo Pro has a GPS module built into it. This will allow you to watermark your videos with your current speed and coordinates. This can be disabled if you don't want that. Pros: real 4K video. Uses Sony image sensor on both cams. Mid-range price point. Built-in Wi-Fi. Cons: somewhat small lens angle of 130 degrees. Coming in number 1. Blackvue DR900S-2CH. For our number 1 pick for the best dashcam of 2020, we have decided to go with Blackvue's DR900S dashcam. It is one of only a handful of real 4K dashcams currently for sale. Most 4K car cameras you see on Amazon are actually not real 4K, they shoot video at a lower quality and upscale it after to look like a 4K file. The DR900S uses an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor that allows it to capture real 4K video, while other dashcams only use a 2 or 4 megapixel image sensor, which would record in 2K. Using a 256GB microSD card, you are able to record over 14 hours of 4K video. When the memory card gets full, it will loop back to the oldest videos files and start recording over those. The 2CH in DR900S-2CH is for 2-channel, meaning it is a dual dash cam. The rear camera uses a 2-megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor and shoots video at 1080p. Blackvue is known for their high-end dash cams that come with some of the best parking mode features. The DR900S is able to do all the regular parking mode stuff like motion and impact detection, but what sets it apart from many other dash cams is its integration with the Blackvue Cloud and Blackvue app, which uses the dash cam's built-in Wi-Fi. When the dashcam is synced with a hotspot or wireless internet connection, you are able to remotely get notifications on your phone when an event happens. Using what's called buffered parking mode, it will capture the moments leading up to an impact when parked, not just after it happens. If your car is stolen, you can also track its location using the built-in GPS. Pros: records real 4K video. Can take a large microSD card of 512 GB. Uses a capacitor, good for high heat and cold temp. Small stealth discreet design. Cons: priced higher than most dash cams.